So at this time of the year, there are Christmas markets all over the country in Germany, and you see people there walking around having some mulled wine. I'll get to that in a different video. And they cling to these kinds of paper bags, and you might wonder what that is. They are filled with caramelized almonds. We call them Gebrannte Mandeln, which would be translated to burnt almonds, which is weird again. They are super delicious, and they have an amazing scent. I will show you how to make them yourself and get some Christmas flavor, some Christmas scent into your house, just like it is on the Christmas market in Germany. So I start by adding a cup of water to a large frying pan. And then I add a cup of sugar. You can also use a little more sugar. I think 1 cup is, for me, the perfect amount, but some people like it even sweeter. So I next use a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm a little bit generous with it. Some people use 2 teaspoons, I'm fine with 1. And now I stir this a little bit. And I add a pinch of salt, or maybe 2. Okay, and some stirring here. So all the cinnamon goes into the water. And now I want to bring this all to a boil. You can see this mixture has started to boil, and now I add the 2 cups of almonds. They are natural almonds, they are not salted or anything, but you can also use some salted one. I just use the regular natural almonds. So this will take a little bit, but you have to be a little bit patient and let it cook for a while. What we want to do is we want to have the water evaporated so that only the sugar and cinnamon mixture is left in the pan together with the almonds. And then we want the sugar to caramelize and cover the almonds. As you can see, the consistency has already changed. The water has in part already evaporated. It becomes a little bit more like a syrup. And I just keep stirring it, just like that. And I can already smell this amazing scent. I guess it's already in the entire house. And here you can see that the syrup becomes thicker and thicker, and the almonds are very glossy, shiny. And I just stir a little less now. And just wait for the sugar to crystallize. So here you can see that the sugar has crystallized and it's covering the almonds, and some people take it out now, but that's too early. This is just a sugar-coated almond and it's not caramelized. I want it to be caramelized, and for that I have to wait a little longer. So I have to hang in here and let the sugar heat in the pan, and you can already see it a little bit that there's some brownish residue on the bottom of the pan, which shows me that there's already some caramelizing happening here. So now the almonds start to become a little bit shiny again. They were very dull when the crystals were surrounding them. So here you can see that the sugar is caramelizing. The brownish color shows that to me, and the almonds also get more shiny now, which tells me that they are nicely covered with caramel and ready to get out of the pan. So here I have the almonds and they're still hot. I try to get them a little bit apart. So with 2 forks I can pull them a little bit apart. So now the almonds have cooled and I can break them apart with my hands. They're still warm and they smell amazing. Yeah, now they go into this paper bag, and how I made this paper bag I can show you in a different video here on my YouTube channel. And this is how the almonds are served at the German Christmas market.